In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app, then click on three bars. Now navigate to the option Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Click on the option Account Center. Once you're in this page, different options will appear. Click on the option Manage Accounts. Now click on the option Manage. Select the option Deactivation or Deletion. Now go ahead and click on the option Deactivate Account. This is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most of the things we have shared. You'll still be able to use Messenger. Click on Continue. Along with your Facebook account, your Facebook page will also be deactivated. Click on Continue. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in that and click on Continue. Now go ahead and provide the reason why do you want to deactivate your account. Once you do that, you can click on Continue. Now scroll down and click on this drop down. You are able to select in how many days you want to reactivate your account, or you can set it to don't reactivate automatically and click on Continue. If you want to continue using Messenger, check in for this option and click on the option Deactivate my account. And that's it. With this, your account has been temporarily deactivated. So this way you are able to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.